Hi, it's Rosie going live with you to talk a little bit about my upcoming class. It's next Thursday at Santosha, and it's on energy healing. It's a class designed for all of us. We are all natural healers, and it's time that we now teach you how to use your own skill to help yourself and to help others. Um, it goes from 6:30 to 8:30 on next Thursday, January, let's see, 7th, is it? January 9th. I'm sorry, January 9th. And we're going to look at like a little bit of the history. We're going to do some breathing techniques, help you get centered and grounded. And then you're actually going to feel the energy. We're going to make some energy balls and play with energy like a spaghetti and feel what it feels like to have a ball or to make different motions with your hands. And you're going to be working with each other. So I'll show you how, and then you'll get to try it with each other. You'll be partnered up and you'll switch partners. So it's really a lot of fun. I use references from Healing Touch. I'm a certified Healing Touch practitioner from Richard Gordon, Quantum Healing. Also from, I'm a Reiki certified master as well. And so I'll reference all of the techniques where they come from, but I'm showing you very general techniques to be used. It's not a class that certifies you in healing. Certainly that takes years and years, and it takes lots of work. But this is a beginning. So it teaches you what you can do with yourself and your family members, and just kind of get a sense of what does energy feel like, and what is it like, and how does it feel different, and where did it come from? Where do we get all this information, and who taught us, and how did we learn it? And so it's a 4 parts series. You can take each part separately. This first part will be just working with each other as partners, and then the other parts we actually are using massage tables, and you're going to be on the table receiving healings from each other with my guidance. So I'll help you. I've been in this business for since 1998, starting with Healing Touch, and then moving to Reiki, then moving into Theta Healing, and so now I teach both Reiki and Theta Healing, and I practice Healing Touch as well in my center. So this is going to be at Santosha, and I hope to see you there. I'm looking forward to it. I'm very excited about sharing this information with you. It's going to be a lot of fun, very much hands-on. All the classes are hands-on, and you'll learn something new about yourself and how to help yourself and how to help others. See you then. Till the next time. Signing off, Rosie.